Hiya, welcome to hashtag 10-minute collage. Each and every 8th and 22nd of every month, I bring you a 10-minute collage. I'm going to just put some scraps down. I normally cover the back to give it some sturdiness. I've just got these bits that I took out. I don't know what I'm doing with those, and I have my folder with my objects, so I'll see what I can find in there, and I most probably put a plant or a flower, something. Yeah, and I think this here as well. Okay, I like that there at the top, that plant. How has your week been so far? It's coming to the end of the week now. It's just flying away, the days. Here, let's put this. Don't need that piece. There. I like that plant right there, and I'm going to use this as well. I think I want peas here. Get that glued up nicely. I'm running out of glue sticks as well, so I need to order some of those. There. Yes, like that. Cut that away. Let me know what crafting you've been getting up to this week. I've been really busy and I need to catch up on some videos, but I'm sure you've been doing really well. There we go. A little bit more here. There we go. And I did want a piece of this is a Spanish dictionary page that I took out of the book. There. I'm not sure what objects I want on here. Let's see. I was thinking of maybe putting some pink. Nice vintage pinks here. This is a nice stool. That's nice. I like that. Let's see what else we can find. Great radio. Love that. Maybe the tram. Let's do the dressing table. Let's see how that goes. It's sticky. I like the dressing tables. Let's put the dressing table there. And I think I want a tree of some sort or a plant. Everything's so nice and green now. That's a nice one here. Put that one. Let's put that there. Oh, some eucalyptus. Oh, yes, please. I love eucalyptus. of that. The stool's not going to work. Ah, camera. That would be nice. I think that's nice. And I'll just get some words there. Too much at the whiteboard, it's just too thick and just in the way. Just calm it down a little bit here. That's where I'm going to put it, right here. There we go. And I need to put something here. I decided to take the dresser off and put a doll. I just love my dolls. I've got to have them on here. Right, yo, I'll just put her here and cut her out. Okay, she's nice there. Oh, that's better. I think that's much better. Right, so I've decided that I'm going to use the doll, and I found some wordings as well. Let's stick her down. We'll stick her there. She's nice and photogenic. I've got, if you have a dream, it says, you've got to protect it. That's lovely. I like that. On top of there. If you have a dream, you've got to protect it. Yes, I like that. I think that is it. I think I should put something else here. I'm not sure. No, I think that is good enough. And I will just punch a hole. Let me make it bigger than usual, as I do. There we go. There she is, all done and dusted. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.